Hi, very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So it's 17th of May, and we are shooting this weekly analysis video. And finally, week has almost over, and gold has given some sort of relief to everyone because if you see, it's a weekly time frame, and the last 4 week, like almost last 1 month, gives a roller coaster ride to every buyer and every seller. The trend was not decided, and finally it got over in this particular week because it has given a lot of losses to all of the traders, whether it's a swing trader, either it's a day trader, or maybe a high fluctuating trader. Everywhere losses are there because the trend is not decided. If you see this particular candle of last 4 weeks, there is no indecisive mode. Like from 3500 it went back down to almost 31120. The prices are very fluctuating. Let me show you what was the price fluctuating things and how we have covered that as well. Okay, so it's a weekly analysis video for all of you, and let me just show you. 1 second. Yes. Okay. So this is the price range. Now, if you see, in the last 4 week, gold has already given more than $400 point movement. $400 started from 3,500, went back down to 3,120, almost $380 of movement. But in this particular week, if you see in this particular week, we have almost covered 197 points. This is not a weekly analysis. This is a weekly analysis, but this is the movement of 197. But if you will change it to 1 week, if you will change it to 1 day chart, you will see $100 of movement on the last 2 days. In this particular candle and this particular candle, you can see gold has bring down because of the newses. Almost started from almost started and then went back down to almost 100 points on 14th of May. Then again on 15th of May, it gave almost 98 points movement again. You can see it was a jump back down and then bounce back up again. You can see $121 point of movement on 15th of May. And then on 16th of May, yesterday, again the gold was bit crazy, goes down and almost give 100 points movement. So if the gold is giving 100 points movement in this way on a daily basis, as a day trader, it will be very hard to predict the market, and that's why it's a time, I think so, to diversify the portfolio into the different asset classes as well, as we have some opportunity in different asset classes where the money is safe, where money can be easily made. So even if that money comes from you world indices trading, cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, but gold is right now, it's picking up the money of the clients and making losses more. And because of that, so many traders have faced, I have got so many messages from different traders that we have blown our account and we are just waiting for the proper movement. But see, things are going like this only. If you see, the market was trendy from the last 6 months. You can see from December the market was trendy, and then now the market is fluctuating because market has to little bit came down, or maybe there is a range of the market either break from this side or that side. After that only we will see a good rally. Got my point? So, being a safe side trader, being a swing trader, how we will find a good trade today? What are the newses upcoming in this week, and what will be the gold options? Buying and selling opportunity. We will cover everything today. So let's get back to the chart of CMC, and that is the option chart. And you can see the put options which I have put here. The call options. First of all, let me just update it here. Load all, and here are the puts. Okay, so first I will show you the call options and then I will show you the put options volume. Okay, so on the call option, if you can see, these are the call options, and on call options there are highest number of the data, or you can say the contracts on 3300. You can see 7700 almost contracts of the open interest in changes is 200 plus percent. That is in this week. So people are expecting traders are expecting that volumes can be go up to 3300 and 7700 new contracts has been made in this particular thing, 3300 call option. Okay, so clients are expecting that market will go there. But interesting thing, if you see put options, if you see at the put option of 3100 or maybe 3550, then sellers are very heavy in that particular scenarios as well. Let me just scroll it up for you. 3100 put options, almost the changes at 122, 6630 new contracts has been made. Open interest is around at 6630. Okay, so clients are expecting, traders are expecting much more volatility and much more downside movement, and you can see 3000 put option, 1719 contracts, more than 700, 7883 open interest is there, plus 289% of changes. So this kind of scenario where the market is indecisive whether it will goes down or whether it will goes upside. So and these are the newses. Let's get covered to the newses as well, that whatever newses we are having in the upcoming scenario, upcoming week, we will definitely going to cover that as well. You can see on Monday, it's right now we don't have any particular data, so market is clear. There are some small data available. There is no bank, like high impact data. There is a bank holiday in CAD, and then there are few members will going to give a speech. So Monday will be quite clear and might be possible no volumes will be there. Then on Tuesday we have a cash rate and RBI monetary policy statement in Australian dollars, like in the morning, and then CAD in evening. We have a median CPI for CAD data, CPI month on month data, and there is these are the two high impact newses which we have. On 21st of May, we have GBP, that is in London session CPI, CPI data that will cover the most volatile news, and there are no other major newses on that. Only crude oil inventory is available. On May 22nd, we have so many huge impact, high impact data in euro, in GBP. There are flash manufacturing, FMI data, and then unemployment claims and flash manufacturing data in the US. So this will create a much more volatility, because last time on unemployment claims, gold gives a crazy volatile move of 70 points. Okay, so this is the particular thing which we have to look forward on Thursday. It's like 22nd of May, and then on 23rd of May, Friday, we have retail sales, core retail sales data, that is for the Canadian dollar, and retail sales month on month data, that is in London session. Okay, so these are the data which we can cover next week, and these are looking forward days. But the most important day, most fluctuating and most volatile day will be the Thursday. That will cover almost every particular data in every session. So this is the data which we have to cover. Now let's get back to the gold chart, and let me show you the support and resistance level. As we are doing a weekly analysis, so on a weekly analysis we have to do a certain changes into our charts, and this is our 1 day chart. Now let's get back to 1 week chart. So it's simple, that the prices is came down around a $400 of movement has been occurred easily in the last few weeks. Okay, so if we go back to again a 1 week chart, let me show you the support is at 3120 level. If this particular level breach, then we can expect the levels can go down up to 3000 as well. So let me just show, let me just put a proper trend line here, trend line that can brings a proper things for you guys. Okay, 1 second. Yes, so this is a particular thing. If you see any particular moment below this 3117, 3110, then market will going to be crash soon, and market can go and price will fall according to this below up to this level. So this will be working as a second channel. This will be working as 3000 will be working as a new support. This is just a weekly analysis. That's why I'm just doing all this. Okay, it's a weekly analysis, guys, so please bear with me. Right, so the first support will be at 3120. If that breach, then 3000 or 3000, let's say 30 will be 3030 or 3020 will be next support for gold prices. Hopefully that will not going to breach, otherwise it will be a big crack in the gold prices. Almost came down from 3500. And if we see a proper volume based movement, like 3340 will be working as 3330 will be working as a new resistance level. If this breach, then we can expect the gold can go up to 3400 as well, and then 3500 all time high will be a new area to gain. So 3420 will be the new resistance for second resistance, and then the third resistance will be at 3500 around. So what you guys are expecting? Like just pin like just give me a comment on the this video, and just let me know that what you guys are thinking, that whether gold will goes up or a down next week. But these are the support and resistance level which we have to cover. So let me just mention it here. Support will be at 3120. If that breach, we can expect 3030 levels. Now first resistance is at 3330. You can say 3330. If that breach, 3400 will be 3420 will be the next weekly resistance, and then 3500. Obviously, that is the lifetime high of gold. Is the final resistance. Overall, if we see the trend is no one knows what will going to be happen. That's why I was telling to diversify the funds into a different risk assets classes. I will show you why I'm telling all this, because in the other assets it was a clear cut moment where market traders can cannot be manipulated by the market or operators, and they can easily make money easily. So easy money is available in the different assets classes. So why to waste time and why to waste money by trading and get manipulated and get trapped in the gold, right? So that is the thing, right? Okay. So let's get back to US oil chart. US oil interestingly giving a one-sided movement on a downside. Okay, prices are fluctuating here, but as it's a weekly analysis, so let me just tell you that this is the area 63 is the area where we can expect the sellers can get easily active, and from there it shows the prices goes down, and 55 will be working as 53, or 55 will be working as 55 60 will be working as a support for every one of you. So let me just mention support and resistance level. Support will be at 63.20. Oops, sorry, 55.60, and resistance will be at 63.20. If 63 level breach, we can expect the levels can go up to 65.50 as well. And if this breach, we can expect the levels can go up to 70 as well. Please remember, this is the weekly analysis, so that's why support and resistance level is far away. Okay, but overall, if you see the proper trend of the crude oil trend is tend to be going down. It might be expecting that this particular level reach up to 65, and then prices goes down like this. You can see the volume based trading happen. So the same kind of a pattern will be follow, and it will take a support around here at 43 level. So this will be working. This is just my analysis for all of you guys. Okay, it might be possible that I will get wrong if the prices can continue to goes up, but this is just a scenario based. Okay, so US oil is a bit in the selling zone. Now let's get back to BTC USD. Interestingly, BTC USD showing some kind of consolidation on the prices on the above side. 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 4,000 easily not breachable, and you can see clear cut a selling pressure twice, or this candle also made, so it might be possible that it will come down again. And 1 lakh, this is a weekly analysis, so that's why the support is at 78,000, but I will not go for that particular support. I am expecting the support will be this 91,000. That is the weekly support, because here BTC has already retested so many times, almost. Let me show you: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, almost 11 weeks, almost 3 months. BTC USD had spent some time near about 93,000, and then gives a breakout up to 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 4,000. So it might be possible that the prices can fall up to this level, and from there you can see the prices can go back up again, and then prices can reach up to this level. So this is the scenario where we can expect a movement, that it will goes here and then move back up. Okay, so BTC USD is also a good time to invest right now into the market, And if you see DXY is continuously giving a growth on the chart, so that's why gold is coming down, and as a result of that only gold and DXY working as a vice versa. So if you see the four candles back to back indecisive candles, same kind of candle, it might be possible it came down from here to this, or maybe it will jump up to here. So it's all about the make or break level. If you can see, these are the make or break levels. If it will enter again up to 100 and 100 or 103, then DXY will be again goes into the positive side. If that will comes down, then it will be a very negative sign for DXY, so gold will goes up. So this is on a make or break level. Definitely the next week will be a very interesting. So you can, if you're coming for the first time guys on our channel, then please like and subscribe our channel, so that you will get all the informations on a daily basis. And this is our Telegram channel ID, fortune signals underscore admin. If you came for the first time, you can reach out to us here for all the necessary informations regarding paid services, regarding free channels, free services, free signals. If you want to know about our paid services, you can reply to us here. And also in description box, we have WhatsApp number available for our team. Of my number is as well available, so you can reach out to me directly on my WhatsApp number as well. Okay, till then, next week we will see you on a daily analysis video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care, and do safe side trading. Thank you so much.